Welcome to Ella, a tranquil hill station nestled amidst the lush green mountains of Sri Lanka. Tucked away in the central highlands, this picturesque town captivates visitors with its breathtaking vistas, cascading waterfalls, and a serene ambiance that invites you to unwind and connect with nature. From its iconic viewpoints to its tea plantations and thrilling outdoor activities, Ella promises an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking both tranquility and adventure. As you arrive in Ella, you'll be greeted by the awe-inspiring beauty of the Ella Gap. Stand atop the famous Ella Rock or Little Adams Peak, and witness the mist-covered mountains stretch as far as the eye can see. The panoramic views of tea plantations, valleys, and distant peaks are a feast for the eyes and a photographer's dream come true. The gentle cool breeze and the symphony of nature create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility that washes away the stresses of everyday life. Ella is renowned for its thriving tea industry, and a visit to one of its tea plantations is a must. Immerse yourself in the world of Ceylon tea as you wander through the lush green fields, learn about the tea-making process, and savor a cup of freshly brewed tea while soaking in the serene surroundings. Don't miss the chance to visit the Nine Arches Bridge, an architectural marvel that stands as a testament to the region's colonial past, and witness a passing train against the backdrop of scenic beauty. Nature lovers will be enchanted by the natural wonders that abound in Ella. Trek through dense forests and discover hidden waterfalls like the picturesque Ravana Falls, where you can cool off in the refreshing waters. Explore the mystical Ravana Cave, a legendary spot associated with ancient folklore and the Ramayana epic. Embark on an adventurous hike to the nearby Dialuma Falls, one of Sri Lanka's highest waterfalls, and take a plunge into the natural pools below. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Ella offers a range of thrilling outdoor activities. Embark on an exhilarating whitewater rafting adventure along the Kalani River, navigating rapids and marveling at the surrounding lush landscapes. Go on a mountain biking expedition through tea estates and rural villages, immersing yourself in the local culture and enjoying the scenic routes. Indulge in the excitement of ziplining, soaring through the treetops and witnessing the beauty of Ella from a unique perspective. Ella's laid-back atmosphere and warm hospitality extend to its cozy cafes and restaurants. Sample delicious Sri Lankan cuisine, bursting with flavors and spices, and savor a cup of world-renowned Ceylon tea. Engage in conversations with friendly locals and immerse yourself in the warm embrace of Ella's community, where you'll find genuine smiles and a sense of camaraderie. Beyond the natural beauty, Ella serves as a gateway to further exploration of Sri Lanka's cultural and historical heritage. Embark on a scenic train ride to the historic town of Kandy, home to the sacred temple of the Tooth Relic. Discover the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Sigiriya, an ancient rock fortress with stunning frescoes and breathtaking views. Experience the spiritual tranquility of the Dambulla cave temples, adorned with intricate Buddhist murals and statues. As the sun sets over the mountains, Ella transforms into a place of quiet serenity. Relax in one of the many boutique accommodations that offer breathtaking views and indulge in the soothing embrace of nature. Allow yourself to be captivated by the starlit skies, where the twinkling constellations paint a mesmerizing backdrop. Ella, Sri Lanka, is a destination that embodies the harmony between humans and nature. Its scenic beauty, adventure opportunities, and tranquil ambiance create an escape like no other. Discover the allure of this serene haven, immerse yourself in its natural wonders, and let the peaceful energy of Ella rejuvenate your spirit.